Let's start this.
I took a stroll down the old long walk on the day I met a little girl and we stopped to talk on a fine soft day And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. And I knew right then I'd be taking a whirl down the Salthill prom with a Galway girl. We're halfway there when the rain came down on the day and she took me up to a flat downtown on a fine soft day And I asked you, friend, what's a fella to do? 'Cause her hair was black and her eyes were blue. So I took her hand and I gave her a twirl, and I lost my heart to a Galway girl. When I woke up, I was all alone, with a broken heart and a ticket home. And I asked you, friend, what would you do if her hair was black and her eyes were blue? See, I've traveled around, I've been all over the world. Boys, I've never seen nothing like a Galway girl. Woo!